Okay guys, so this morning, or this evening, we noticed that we have a ewe lamb here with a broke leg. It's broke between her ankle and her hock, so we're gonna splint it the best we can for now. We're gonna order a splint online that our vet told us about that's mainly made for dogs, but will help with this. She's about the size that we can probably make it work. So it's just kind of one of the tricks, one of the hazards of the trade that, stuff gets hurt. I don't know how she broke it or where she broke it, but we're going to see what we can do to get her fixed up. So y'all come along.
All right, guys, so last night we got a little bottle lamb. We found him. We had to wean those lambs last night, and we saw him on the fence line with no mom around. So we tried we sat him down in front of a few different ewes that we thought it could be, actually only a couple, and it would have had to been a triplet. So, and he's pretty small, he's teeny tiny, maybe weighs 3 pounds or something. So anyways, we brought him in because nobody would claim him, and we bottle fed him. He did good through the night. He ate a big bottle last night, and he's not wanting to eat this morning, but he's still walking around talking and doing good. So we shall see how he does. What do you got there?
So I got some creep feed to put in the creep feeder for the ewe lambs so that we can give them that little extra they need since they just got weaned, and to get them up into good shape so they'll be ready to sell or go back into the flock.
You want me to get that one?
Yeah. Please. You're gonna have to move or get someplace where I can go around you.
I need to get down before you hurt me.
A little low. Hello. Hello.
What's in there?
Empty.
Where's Clancy when you need him?
Eggs basketball game. Girls basketball, watching a girls basketball game or something.
We got the boss man doing the real work tonight. You're doing a good job.
Is this my punishment for so-called leaving the gate open?
There's no so-called. You left the gate open.
Actually...
So now you will clean out the lamb feeder that you barely
You were
fit
out
in.
there 3 times to bottle lambs today, and I know you have
The
an
gate
affection
was never
for,
open.
I know you have an affection for
The gate was never
Angora
open.
goats, so you probably
Yeah,
went
I
in there
went
to
in
pet
there.
them. I'm just saying.
They aren't even pettable.
I'm just saying it was shut when I
They
left.
aren't pettable.
It was shut when I left.
Hey, you
What?
just keep doing what you're doing. Keep cleaning them troughs out. Keep ranching. Maybe I'll let him out. Watching you crawl in and out is the best part.
What?
Watching you crawl in and out is the best part.
All right. Yeah. So we got our creep feed put in the creep feeder here. You can see it's just a pellet. We have run a textured feed through here before, but I didn't like the way it ran. Really, it didn't feed as good. You're always having to come poke it down and stuff like that. So we chose a pellet this time. This is a 14% pellet. Just got it at my local feed store. I'm sure you guys have got something like that similar to it around you. So the way a creep feeder works, they just come in, it's protected from the rain. They just come in here and eat. The V shape on it, so as they eat from the trough, it pulls the creep feed out, and then it just fills itself back up. So we put about 1,600 pounds in here today. These puppies are over here fighting with each other, so they're all right. But so that's where we're at on the creep feeder. So y'all keep ranching.
All right, guys. We have exciting news. We have not one.
I don't know that that's exciting.
It is. It's not exciting. We had one bottle lamb, and now we have 2.
Now we have 2. I think there may be siblings.
You do?
I think so. I mean, what's the chances that 2 different ewes lost a lamb, and nobody's looking for nothing? So
They're so different in size.
yeah, but there's one little one, one big one, and we've kind of had a little bit of that going on this year. So anyways, we got Ram the lamb.
Ram-a-lamb.
Ram-a-lamb and Black Hetty.
Black Hetty.
So y'all can hear Cagney and Lacey out there. They're having a big old dog fight with each other. They're playing out there. So
All right, so we got their bottles.
We're gonna get these boys out and see if they want to eat.
We're gonna see if Cody knows how to feed them. I do all the feeding, so we'll see. Do you know which one's which?
Back up. No.
Cody.
I don't know who's what.
Ram-a-lamb is that one on this side over here. This is Ram-a-lamb.
I need this one to back up.
He doesn't understand how to eat. And that's Black Hetty over there. So this is Ram-a-lamb. He's a little guy. He's not near as aggressive when he eats.
And only the finest for our lambs.
Oh
Chuck
yeah,
Norris
Chuck
order.
Norris. Black Hetty though, he likes the milk.
We should have named them Chuck and Norris, or Walker and Ranger, or Walker and Cordell,
Well, guess what?
or Lone
what?
Wolf and McQuaid.
Guess what?
What?
You weren't in charge of naming them. I was.
I
So
thought
on
we
the
allowed our viewers to do that, and they're not as quick as me sometimes.
Nala, would you please stop doing that? You are not that lamb's mom. Quit cleaning her butt.
Good for them.
Anyway, the lambs are doing good. This is Cody's first time feeding. We're trying to see how he does.
I'm pretty sure I got them both started on bottles.
Nala, quit. It's nasty. You did not.
Yeah, y'all were all. We can't get them drink. Can't get them drink. They don't even want to drink.
I'm pretty sure I got them started. But okay, you can say whatever you want. But they're doing good, y'all. Ram-a-lamb's trying to take Black Hetty's. There's a dog fight going on behind us. All right, y'all keep reaching.
Okay, guys, so this morning, or this evening, we noticed that we have a ewe lamb here with a broke leg. It's broke between her ankle and her hock, so we're gonna splint it the best we can for now. We're gonna order a splint online that our vet told us about that's mainly made for dogs, but will help with this. She's about the size that we can probably make it work. So it's just kind of one of the tricks, one of the hazards of the trade that, stuff gets hurt. I don't know how she broke it or where she broke it, but we're going to see what we can do to get her fixed up. So y'all come along. Come on now. I don't want to do this. Well, I don't know how well it's going to work, but we'll see. This is the wrong side to be tying her from for me. Clamps, y'all bring. No, go ahead and shut it. We need that skill saw that's in the back too, and that vet wrap. Okay. One of you come up here and hold her down so I don't want her head flopping, and I want you to hold her legs right here. So get on the back side back here. Okay. Let's see here. Not perfect, but
oh, we're kind of doing what I was thinking of.
I think it works. Okay, Punch, hold this right there. We probably need about maybe that much of it right there.
Like that. You always want that to come in here.
Yep.
How much are y'all's hoodie? These are like $45. What's it feel like? Just like it's shattered or something?
It's just broke clean in two. Straight or not from right here. Are they? Okay, start. You gotta.
The best homemade I've ever seen.
Huh?
Best homemade skin I've ever seen, baby. Best thing. How many have you seen? I've never seen. No. Did you Google this? Or?
No.
thought of it in her big brain. He's a pro. I bet that's cutting off so much circulation. I know, I'm like, how do you know it's not cutting off circulation?
It's not cutting off for circulation.
Oh.
Huh? What?
Mom said we'll know if it's cutting off circulation if the leg falls off.
Okay, we need to go shut that gate.
So, now what?
Well, hopefully that's got it somewhat immobilized until we can get our splint in, that we can actually get it all where it for sure needs to be. I mean, everything looks straight and in line. We'll just have to see. I don't know. It's better than the alternative.
No, like, shut it to the deal.
We're going to put her in here with these. Drop us a little deal there in the comments. Let us know if you've ever had to do something like this, split a leg, and or are you a vet type person? You haul everything to the vet if there's something wrong with something, or do you a do-it-yourselfer? Let us know in the comments. Y'all keep ranching. Hey, when you get her untied, help her up and try, because she's going to try to keep that leg up. If don't let her use that leg, if you understand what I'm saying. Yeah. And then I want to bring her down here real easy, not hooping and hollering and not fast. Let her come real easy to go in here with these other lambs. Yeah, you don't have to hold her while she's walking, but just help her get up. Okay, let go of her.
Oh, here. Pepper out. Pepper out. Pepper, get out of there. We'll see how she does.
Yeah, I don't know how it's going to work, but we'll see. Your puppies are eating good. Look at all that dog poop. Look at the feet on them suckers. Look how them.
Get away from my feet.
Nope. Bring her back, Punch.
She's attacking Nala because Nala's getting near the feet.
Like we're glad to have somebody besides to play with besides us.